If you have kids at home and want to control their YouTube usage on the TV, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to lock YouTube on any TV with simple steps, whether it's a Smart TV, Android TV, or even Apple TV. Let's get started. First method, if you have a Smart TV that supports app locking. All you need to do is open the App Store from your TV's home screen, then go to the Apps section. From there, open App Settings and look for YouTube among your installed apps. Once you find it, choose the Lock option, then set a PIN code. Enter a 4-digit PIN, and make sure it's something only you know, especially not your kids. Now, anytime someone tries to open YouTube, they'll need to enter the PIN first. Second method, if you're using Android TV, go to Settings, then select Device Preferences. From there, go to Parental Controls and turn it on. You'll be asked to create a PIN, which will be required to access restricted apps. Once parental controls are enabled, YouTube won't open without the PIN. You can also use Google Family Link from your phone to manage your child's app access remotely. Third method, if you're using Apple TV, go to Settings, then General. Select Restrictions and turn it on. Then set a 4-digit passcode. Scroll to Allowed Apps and turn off YouTube. This way, no one can open YouTube without the passcode. Fourth method, using your router. If your TV doesn't support app locking, you can block YouTube directly from your router. Open your browser and type 192.168.1.1, then log in. Go to Parental Controls or Access Restrictions. Add youtube.com to the block list. This will block YouTube on all devices connected to your home network, not just the TV. Finally, there are third-party apps like Circle or Bark. These apps let you monitor and limit YouTube usage across all devices in your home, giving you more control over your kids' screen time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments, which method are you going to try?